Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to give you a complete walkthrough of the GeoEssential SaaS website that we created for my client Janine, and I'll give you an understanding as to how you can create a multi-page, very detailed, mobile-friendly SaaS websites for your clients who are using high level as their backend. Now, just in case you're not aware, my name is Pritam, right? I run a Go High Level Funnel Website Design Agency. We build marketing funnels and websites for clients literally across the globe. And in case you are a business owner looking to get a free consultation, make sure you go to prithambhadra.com and schedule a call here. That's pretty much it regarding my introduction. And just in case you're starting to get started with high level and you're not sure as to whom to choose for your affiliate, make sure you go to bonus.prithambhadra.com. Again, all the links are in the description box just so that you can have the ease to understand as to what we have to offer. It's again a very detailed as to what we are offering. There are a ton of things that you will get when you sign up with us. Okay, that's pretty much it. Let's get started with the GeoEssential brand new site. So we have been working on this site for months now, right? And we wanted to create a stunning customized website for Janine, our client. And as you might know that we've already built a lot of funnels for Janine. Now Janine is into the real estate space and is a master of marketing, mail marketing, through which generates leads and also bookings and all of that. So just in case you're in the real estate space and you're looking to have a mentor, a coach, or trainer, or somebody who can use your proven system, make sure you reach out to Janine because she's someone who can help you get your real estate dreams, and grow in business. But yeah, let's quickly understand as to what exactly is the site layout looks like, how exactly we designed, what was the branding, and how we were able to craft this amazing detailed website for our client, right? So I'm going to give you a complete walkthrough of everything in depth here in this particular walkthrough tutorial, right? Okay, let's start from the beginning itself, right? So again, this might look like a few page website, but it's actually a lot more, right? I think this website has more or less around 14 15 pages that we custom designed for Janine. So as you can see, GeoEssential is basically the company name, right? And what they do is basically they empower agents and simplify the success, right? It's basically a proven system of mails through which you can generate leads and close deals. And what Janine has been doing as an agent itself, not somebody who just teaches or trains, but somebody who is an active agent on the ground, closing deals for herself with her system and helping other real estate agents also to close deals, with her system as well. So that's basically a good way of creating a SaaS. And I've seen this very, very well that if you really want to grow your SaaS business, you have to customize your SaaS offering as a tool with your specialized skill and services that you kind of have proven experience on. And when you basically mix that with the high level software backend, you kind of get a unique offer which basically attracts people and nobody has. That's what Janine has been doing for over the years. And then she reached out to me to create this complete website from scratch so that we can launch it. And guess what? 1st January 2025 is when we launched this website. Now it's live. People can go in, check in, and people can do all the stuff that she is willing for people to do. Now, let me help you understand the navigation bar here. Again, as you can see, the beautiful GeoEssential logo with that kind of gradient that we changed here a bit. Then we have pricing with an hover effect. We have referral network, postcard club, GeoEssential Lite with the options of logging and pricing, courses, watch demo, and then logging itself. Right. Again, as you can see, the current. Just a minute. You're basically getting logged in. So when you click on the login option, in case you're logged in, so you're basically going to go and log in, right? But one thing that you will be able to see that the gradient effect that we have been using on these are pretty nice because they kind of have this kind of shine effect, which looks really, really well and can be achieved with CSS and HTML a bit, right? So that's pretty much regarding the top section. And then you have this real estate empowering agents. Again, we're using a bit of custom graphics. We use mainly Canva Premium and Figma in order, a mix of both in order to get good quality graphics for our clients. Again, as you can see, the headline itself, the first all-in-one smart mail system for real estate agents. Now, I truly believe it because she has a lot of clients, I mean, a lot of SaaS subscribers, and all these people are basically using that proven marketing mail system, which she has been using and basically proving results on. Right. That's the reason why when you have this kind of statement on a SaaS page, on a SaaS website, it kind of shows that hey, you are the leading or you're the pioneer in this field, and you have been having a proven system that you have been using for yourself, and now you can also make it useful for other people in your niche. And in this area, it's going to be real estate agents. Now, as you can see, the subheadline itself says Essential combined smart mail, which is basically the smart mail system which is using, and a powerful system which basically is high level, making direct mail affordable, profitable, effortless. Very important keywords here, right? Smart mail, powerful system, direct mail, because hey, smart mail is basically her the mailing system, powerful system is basically the high level, and the direct mail is basically her marketing approach in order to create an affordable, profitable, and effortless system, the hyper local agent way, which she is famous for. Right. So when you create subheadlines like these, which complements the main headline, people get to understand as to your what exactly you are claiming is correct based on these many reasons. And that's how we have been giving them the reason, right? So why we should be the all-in-one smart mail system for real estate agent, and why should we be the first, is because of the following reasons mentioned on the subheadline. That's basically how copywriting works, and we have been doing the copy for the entire website, entire landing pages, all funnels, all pages, everything for Janine, not just for Janine, for all of our clients. So yeah, in case you ever have a requirement, just go to pritam.com, and that's basically you will be able to schedule a call to understand as to how we can help out. In case you're looking for consultancy services, go ahead and schedule a call here. We'll be happy to understand your requirement on a short 15-minute call and then give you a consultancy services charged on an hourly basis. Now let's go ahead. So we have this main call to action. So we have basically two call to actions here. One is watch demo. The other one is get started with Geo Essential today. Our goal is very simple. We want people to get started today because that's the primary CTA. We want people to go ahead, put their credit card details and get started with the Geo Essential system. And so this is the option. You could also add another button here, which is basically a watch demo button, for example, if that's the secondary call to action you want to have. But in that case, you can basically divert people's attention. But for this case, I was like, no, I really want to focus people to get started with Geo Essential. That's the goal. So anyway, let's get started with that. Again, you have some trust badges. Again, I really like them. I really want you to add them because they just help build trust, credibility, and authority in your space. So yeah, always do that. And then you have this beautiful grid section colors. I mean, this is a very common one nowadays, but yeah, we have been using that. And then we have this beautiful video of Janine who explains it very nicely to the target audience. But more than that, we have this kind of structure that we have created, the beautiful structure we have created to place that particular video, which, as you can see, these kind of cards which have kind of a 3D effect and is on top of the video as well as at the background, which is crazy, right? So these kind of things. And by the way, you have the complete control on clicking on any of the part of the screen and basically controlling the screen, unless and until you are basically clicking on these small areas, right? So apart from that, the entire screen is clickable, is available for responsiveness, right? So as you can see here also, basically there are three sections, which is the top end, which is the back end, which is the lower end, also the video element, and still it kind of works really well. And if I want to just stop it here, I can just click it here and this will basically stop, as you can see here, right? We also have this kind of badging, which says smart mail real estate. Again, these are all custom designed for Janine. So as you can see here, based on the target audience, based on what she is doing, we created that, and it kind of works really well. Apart from that, let's scroll down as we see join hundreds of agents who already discovered Geo Essential, because hundreds of real estate agents have been using Geo Essential platform in order to get more leads, get more sales via the mail marketing system that she uses for herself, right? And she has been not only using it but also teaching for hundreds and thousands of real estate marketers across the US, right? And these are basically the logos, the companies that she is associated with. So why not add them? I will recommend always add them because it just helps you build trust, credibility, and authority, is what I always say and teach on my videos. Now let's understand the problems, the challenges people are facing, right? The first one is, of course, overwhelmed with direct mail marketing and high costs, because people kind of think that, hey, if I want to get a direct mail system set up, then it's going to be very costly, and they're kind of not sure as to how to send that, how to automate it, and it kinds of gets very, very problematic, especially for those real estate agents who need to focus on selling more deals rather than figuring out the tech part of it or the system part of it, which is why we are helping them because it's already figured out, functional, proven, and that's the reason why they should proceed and get started with us. So all the reasoning that you provide here needs to be in correlation with the problem that you are able to solve of your target audience by your software, right? Now, again, let me repeat that. The reasoning that you want to share here are the basically solution that you can provide to your target audience for the problem that you can solve with your software, right? I'm not really memorizing these, but these are basically an understanding, and because we have been doing this for like years and years together, so it's very important for you also to understand as to what to write, where to write. Second is the stuck with generic design and frustrated around times, because what happens is these postcards needs to be designed. All right, so when you design a postcard, it can, you're gonna probably, you're not a designer, you're probably gonna hire a designer yourself. You're gonna pay like a lot of money, and then you have to print that, and then you have to send it, and then wait for the outcome, and there's 10 different things that kind of goes on and on and on, which is kind of really, really messy. And that's the reason why you should come and work with Janine's system, because she has proven templates. Again, these are Canva templates, plug and play templates, so you can easily use them, easily print them, and easily send them to generate your leads and bookings, right? And then we have juggling multiple tools and subscriptions, eating into the profits, of course, right? As an online marketer, when we use different kind of tools, systems, and software in order to manage our daily schedule, which is also very, very busy, we kind of shell a lot of money into different tools. So what if we could get a one single software that could basically solve all the issues? And that's exactly what we're going to solve for them. As you can see, we kind of have some kind of graphics here which kind of are very, very detailed. You can see direct mail, postcard, and all that, design, turnaround time, Canva, software, cost, profit, right? So all of, again, as you can understand, all of this are one, branded as per Janine's requirement, and two, customized and as per the issue we are able to solve here, right? And that's the reason why we always say, hey, come to us when you're planning to get a custom design website and landing pages, right? Again, this is 2025. Let's make sure we crush this year with new funnels and new pages. Then why should you join GeoEssential? So because you want to master high converting direct mail marketing, right? She's not talking about email marketing. She's not really talking about SMS marketing. She's talking about, in case you want to master high converting direct mail marketing, and you're a real estate agent in the real estate space in United States, then make sure that you come and get the GeoEssential software solution. At GeoEssential, we utilize real estate growth with the most powerful system, because that's what she has built for her own audience. It's not just a go high level SaaS that anybody can literally buy. It's basically her hard work over the year that she has built connected, powerful mailing system, which is proven based on her experience and the efforts, and herself being in the shoes of a real estate agent, because she is one, and generates six figures easily with this itself, right? So that's the reason why you should basically go ahead and join her programs. As you can see here, the first thing here, as you can see, is the graphic here. Now this graphic is custom designed again regarding her requirements, because she is in Chicago, so we wanted to get a graphic which is in Chicago, and the graphic should also display kind of a near map area, as well as should display kind of available homes and all of that, so that we can get some idea and ideations to connect with more people who are in the same space. Then here we have, it is designed for real estate agents, and then we have all the reasons. First is free printed postcards. Then you have agents training from a seven figure pro, because she is already a seven figure business. Then all in one smart marketing system and tools, and master graphic farming and all that, right? Then let's go ahead and let's go to the next section, which is built by agent for agents, because she kind of really promotes it a lot, because she kind of helps other agents to grow. And so that's one of the very important thing. The library of proven templates, because she has basically, sorry, direct mail templates, Canva templates, and basically everything that you need, plug and play, and you can get your lead system working seamlessly. And then you have powerful lead magnets and funnels, leverage your essential free of time and all of that. So again, custom design graphics in order for people to understand the value of it, and that's how we basically design these kind of custom design graphics for your clients, right? So that's pretty much it regarding the Geo Essential top section. Now let's scroll down and understand as to why they should join the Geo Essential site regarding this, right? And then what are the features which is available at this moment, right? So why you should join the ultimate solution of real estate agent? First, you get is unlimited free printed 4 by 6 and 8.5 by 5.5 postcards, and all these details as to stay connected year round, boost listings and marketing efforts, and enjoy unlimited postcards. You can just see these kind of graphics that we have created, and by the way, these are real postcards that Janine normally uses for herself. Kind of looks really nice, and is built custom design so that she can actually use it for and show as to what kind of graphics is available for people to use in their business. All right, coming to the second service that we provide here is basically the smart QR code technology. Now, these are basically the reasons as to what makes GeoEssential different than other SaaS providers or similar kind of service providers or kind of tools providers, right? So, this is what is the USP. So, smart QR technology, right? Basically, when you scan a QR on your postcard, you kind of get an instant notification for hot leads, right? You can understand that hey, these people have responded, so you kind of engage them faster and make it a great experience for them. So you can also do it you can also go ahead and try it by clicking on that order now, which will basically take you to the option to schedule this process, right? But yeah, that's just pretty much regarding this particular section. And again, as you can see, we have designed it in a way which is very easy to understand, which is the QR code mobile, right, with GEssential logo and all notifications that people get when they opt in for this kind of systems. Then we have full access to our quality and high converting Canva template library, because Janine has a tons of templates, by the way, guys, right? So if somebody isn't into the real estate agent and wants to use Janine system, go ahead, get in touch with her, because she's the one who's going to help you out with that. But yeah, I mean, she has proven high converting templates. She this can actually help people get leads from day one, and effortless customization because these are on Canva, very easy, very seamless to do it. And that's how basically we designed this entire thing, because all this is actually built on Canva that we picked up, and then we used our Canva and Figma and all that in order to design these kind of graphics for her. Then comes the complete automated drip campaign, so that in any time that you are trying to follow up with anybody, so you can have your email marketing systems, you have your SMS systems, kind of the normal go high level stuff, automation stuff run at the back end in order to produce the great touch points, so that you do not lose out on leads, you do not lose out on potential deals. And then when you scroll down, she also provide shock and awe packages to wow clients and win listings. As you can see, there's so many things that people get, right, that you can provide to clients to win them. And then we have client gifting and retention. And as you can see, this is a beautiful offerings, beautiful offers that she provides, which is amazing gifting options here available that we're using a go high level image slider in order to get these kind of effects here. But yeah, kind of looks really nice. You can just set it and forget it and let the gifting system work and send out everything to their clients, build long lasting relationship, strengthen client retention. All of that is available inside the Geo Essential platform, and that's the reason why you should join Geo Essential. Let's go ahead regarding the next section as to what benefits GeoEssential provides to its users. Right, you get 24/7 support, you get training and resources, you get comprehensive onboarding, pre-built templates, partnership program, mastermind communities, literally everything that you can think of. And again, these are again custom design graphics that you see here. Looks really nice with the branding that the Janine already has. Let's scroll down as to the feature suite, right, as to what exactly you get in terms of technical advancements in the GeoEssential system. First is the comprehensive CRM system, then you have the automated review system, personalized landing pages, right? You have leads and transaction, you have websites and marketing funnels, you have two-way communication. Now, one thing you will be able to realize that these are all 3D in nature, which basically means that these are all mock-ups, kind of represent really well. We're kind of having a very darkish effect gradient at the back end, and at the same time having dual color of white and the pink color of the brand, kind of makes it look really really nice. So that's how we design and we put effort into designing these kind of solutions graphics for our clients, kind of look really nice. Let's go ahead, and these are the premium flyers that she provides. Again, kind of looks really nice because you can also scroll and can have an experience as to what kind of flyers you are going to get. Think about if you could have to make this from scratch. It would take you years, man. This is years of effort put into the software that Janine is providing, and that's the reason it becomes a no-brainer deal for any real estate agent to proceed forward and then become her client. And then you have these kind of postcards as well, right? And then you have premium landing pages. Again, I'm using this kind of endless scroll effect that I have already given for free to my subscribers on my YouTube channel. Make sure that you go to that particular YouTube and get the CSS code and implement it yourself. But yeah, premium landing pages kind of looks really nice with the mockup itself, and I think it looks stunning how it generates from this end and then ends and this end. Then you have some Essential Pro usage and additional fees because hey, depending on the usage of marketing that you use, you have to pay extra for that for usage. And again, as you can see, we're using these premium icons here. Looks really stunning, glowing effect, and all of that you get here, right? And then about your founder, which is Janine's. So a good detailed description about Janine, a good photograph, and I always recommend people to have good photo shoots done so that we can use them on your websites and landing pages and funnels in order to create credibility, authority, which can actually help people convert better. So yeah, Janine had that, which is amazing. Then you have some Google reviews as well, right, which we have added with the Google review widget. And I think it looks really really stunning, has all the 4 stars and 5-star reviews and everything. And then you have this beautiful FAQ section which kind of answers most of the questions that people can think of, and again, you know go ahead and answer them on the page itself. And again, then we have this beautiful footer section with the Essential silver logo, with the tagline, with the social media links, with the Essential links here, right? Everything is there, kind of looks really nice. And again, all of this is 100% mobile optimized. Now, again, as I told you, we have created more than 12 to 40, I think 15 around custom design pages at the back end on this Essential site. And again, as you can see, everything is 100% mobile optimized. You click on there, you can get all the details, which is sub menu, and you can scroll down and you can literally get everything that you need regarding the mobile version. So that's basically how we create funnels and website for our clients. Let's go ahead. Let me show it to you the pricing section where we created the entire pricing section from scratch for the GeoEssential site. As you can see, we have a clear tactic here. We double the price, right? So you're basically giving them the FOMO that, hey, if you do not join now, we're going to increase the price because we've already done that in the past and we are going to do that in the future as well. So might as well you should join now in case you're already thinking about it, right? One last increase happening soon, right? Our alpha group started at $97 a month. Our beta group joined at $199 per month. Don't wait, get in before we increase it one last time. So this is basically going to create a FOMO kind of situation, and people are like, hey, I should join now and lock in this particular amount rather than proceeding forward, and rather than waiting for it and then and seeing the price increase and have to pay for like nothing, right? So what do you get actually? So when you design these kind of pricing sections, as you can see, unlimited postcard is mentioned here. This is basically per month and per year. Again, a bit of CSS being used here to make it really really nice. Then you have this kind of understanding of text, and then this kind of buttons which take you to the checkout page. You have everything that you basically need, and again, these are very very clean, clear, attractive, segmented very very well. So all of this is custom designed for our client Janine, right? So again, join hundreds of agents who already discovered GeoEssential. And again, the GeoEssential Pro usage additional fees, what clients are saying, what reviews, and then we got the FAQ section and the footer itself, right? Again, this is 100% mobile optimized so that you can have people can have a great experience going through all of this in detail without have to having a bad experience because of the UI. So yeah, all of that is given here, right? Apart from that, let's go ahead on the other pages, which is the referral network. So Janine not only is an entrepreneur, but also has a great network of other entrepreneurs, other real estate agents who are basically using the Go Higher Level network in order to grow. Because a lot of these agents have referrals that they can share. a lot of these want to get those referrals. So all that commission thing and all this basically goes on. For that, we have created this particular page. And as you can see, this is very neat, clean, and looks like a pro version of any kind of website or any kind of SaaS website that you have already seen, right? Again, referral become a hyper local agent. Simple headline: connect, refer, succeed, right? So you need to know good copywriting skills in order to add these kind of headlines and subheadlines. Find trusted agents with hyper local expertise, or join the network and grow your referrals. You can do both. Either you can find people in with this particular expertise, which is basically an agents, or you can become one and get these referrals and then use it for your own business, right? So again, this beautiful scrolling effect showcasing men and women in proportionate ratio of the clientele that Janine already has. And then, as you can see here, find an agent today or join a referral network. When you click on find an agent today, it's going to take you to the find an agent section. Again, basically the same section. So when you click on join a referral network, it kind of take you to the join the referral network. It kind of works well on mobile version because that's when one section is on top of the other, so it kind of makes really sense. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Finding the perfect agent: when you hover on this, you're going to have this kind of mouse option. And when you click on this, it kind of takes you to the hyperlocal agent referral network details. And when you have this join referral network option here, when you click on that, it kind of takes you to the form. Again, we have redesigned all the forms here, all the sections here, literally everything built from scratch for Janine for the new brand launch that we did. And now let's go ahead to the postcard club. This is basically an offer which can help people get the postcards on a monthly basis. So they get a postcard every single month on a very smaller price. This is a minimum offer that she has, but this is very value for money offer because people can get a physical postcard and a template which people can have a library of and then use as required. Again, as you can see, looks really nice. It says coming soon, right? Postcard of the month club, fresh design delivered monthly. Again, a great video by Janine to help understand as to what exactly this is all about, right? And then we scroll down and why you should join and all that beautiful stuff here, how it works, right? All the postcard that people are going to get here that you can see at the back of Janine. And then when you scroll down, the reviews, the FAQs and all that. Again, this is very small page, which is small landing page because of the small offer, which is not again a dedicated sales page to it. Right, let's go ahead and let's understand the GeoEssential Lite. So we have a login link which kind of takes you to the login section. So we have created these sub menus inside the menus in order to create this kind of effects. And then we have the light pricing. Now when you click on the light pricing, you kind of go to the light pricing page. And again, GeoEssential Lite, and what exactly you get for $47 per month. Everything is literally mentioned here, right? And all the postcards that you get here is also mentioned here. Again, in case you want need more support, upgrade to GeoEssential Pro. And when you click on this, it kind of takes you to the pricing page again, which kind of has an effect to upsell people as well. So that kind of psyche or psychology of the website mapping is very, very important in order to create a high converting website. Then once you've understood this, let's go ahead to the course section. This is basically Janine has a lot of courses, free resources, courses, and a lot of document that which she has here. So as you can see, free ticket, join now, watch for free here, send a Word business plan, and all of that. Click here to get in the course or the multiple courses she had, which we have designed it here, which is available for to get started. Then we have the watch demo section as well. When you click on it, you kind of get to this page where you can opt in and watch the demo for yourself, which again will have all the details as an upsell landing pages and all that, right? And then you again have that login link here, right? So again, let's go ahead to the GeoEssential page here. So this is how we created the entire GeoEssential website from scratch. It took us months to do it, everything very, very customized. We had a few things that we got revised at the last moment. And yeah, I think Janine knows what she's doing very, very well. And all the ideas that she was giving us, we're able to not only implement it very, very nicely, but also make it stand out compared to the competition that's there, so that she can rock and she can grow in her business, and probably we can also help her growing it on the way. That's pretty much it, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Pritam, right? I run a go high level fun website design agency. In case you're looking for custom design projects, make sure you click on this book an appointment now section. We have 3 spots available for Jan. go ahead, and if it's a good fit, we'll be happy to work with you guys. All right, thank you so much. I'll see you soon.